Are you looking for a good business opportunity in your area with an investment of just rupees 3 to 5 lakhs? Then I have an exciting offer for you. Hi, I'm Twinkle from AE Naturals. In our AE Naturals, we have a great range of beauty and salon products like facial kits, bleach creams, shampoos, soaps, and many other such products. All of these products are designed to meet the needs of today's beauty parlors and salon industry. We are looking for area-wise exclusive distributors all over India to supply our products to our potential customers. If you are passionate about the beauty industry and want to take up this lucrative opportunity, then get in touch with us today. To know more details about this opportunity, check out the description given below. Thank you.